with 3 or 4. So first you will take the paper or pen, canvas paper you have, anything. Then you will use the cup and do the outline. You can make a 5 or 6. It's up to you. 3, 4, 5. It's up to you. Any much that you will be like. You can trace the birds. Then you will start to do the mouth outline. So the mouth I will did very small. If you see, you can see my pencil lines I didn't press hard to get a darker way. So I want to stay with light. So I didn't press the pencil, I just slightly do it. So next you will be doing is the coloring, the important one. So we will start with the background. I start the background with gray color. If you see, my background is gray color. Over it I highlight with white color. That is also optional. It's up to you. You like, if you like, you can color it full or you're not. It's up to you. So first we will color with the background with gray color. Remember one thing. I use gray color. It doesn't mean that you have to use gray color. You can use single color, different something, but stick with light, like light blue, very light pink, or light green. That will be nice. So you can do. But I like gray color. That's why I use gray color. When you're painting, you will use the brush. Remember one thing. You don't go around. You just go around the outliner like this way. And do not color the bird inside. And go bottom. See, my brush stroke is going downwards. In the bottom part, my brush stroke is going downwards. If you see properly. See, like this way. So I want you to do the full bottom part same way. As I said for you, if you use a paper, it's totally fine. You don't need to go shopping at these days. So stick with something, whatever you can find inside the house. You can use poster paint, you can use oil paint, acrylic paint, anything that you like. So make sure you don't color inside the line, go out from the line. And the brush stroke should be go downwards, not up, like everywhere. These days it's very hard to stay at home doing nothing. So these are some simple help that I can do for you guys, that you can do from home. So I'm always trying to figure out something that you can find the materials inside the house, so you don't need to go shopping anything. So my bottom part is almost done now. See, this is my bottom. If you see, I didn't color inside the pencil line. I stuck out from the pencil line. So I will do now the up. So I will turn it around and do the same technique from up. It's really fun. My favorite activity is acrylic paint, so I really enjoy doing this. I hope you guys enjoy it too. Especially these days, kids watching too much computers or tablets. These are fun activities you can do home without any expensive materials. So you can use, as I said, your watercolor A4 sheet. It's the best option. You don't need to always go buy acrylic paint and canvases. If you like A4 sheet or canvas paper, also it's good thing. There's a special kind of paper called canvas paper. You can always buy. See, I didn't color any of the birds. I only color the background now. So I will now put the brush to the water. Remember always, when you have paint brushes, don't leave it with the paint in a side. Always put to the water cup. So the next will be, we will color the birds. So remember one thing. Here I went green, pink, blue, purple and yellow. You don't need to color the same color. If you don't have purple, skip purple, use a different color. It's up to you. So you can use your own colors, but try to do the orange on the mouth. In case if you don't have orange, you can always stick with some other color. So first I will be using, instead of green, I want to use yellow color. So I will be using yellow color. I will not color inside the mouth. So I will stick around it. When I finish, I will show you how did I. But remember one thing, stay in the line. Do not color outside the line. So if you see now my bird, I only color one circle and its mouth is not colored at all. So only one circle, mouth is not colored. Now I will wash my brush and I will go for the second color. Second, I will be like to use blue color. This is my second bird I finish up. So don't worry about the edges. We will use a different color to fix the edges. So don't worry about the edges. So now I need green color. But funny thing, I don't have green color with me. I have a lot of yellow here and I have blue here. So what I will do, mix both the colors together and I will make green color. Yellow and blue together, I have nice green color. It's called pine green. I think this green look like that way, so I will use that one. So always remember, you cannot mix two colors and make a third color, so you don't need to go and search for the same colors that I'm using. So my green color is done, as I said to you. Now I will wash my brush. I will be using now what color? I can use little bit purple. Oh no, red. I will stick with red. So I will use red color in the next one because I already used purple, pink and on this canvas. So I want to use something different on this canvas. First canvas that I use, I have pink, purple, different yellow, different green. So I thought, why don't I use something different in my new canvas?